Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to set up a different header for your WordPress Blocksy shop. Alright, so we're on our home page here and we have our default header that we've configured in our customizer. What if we want to have a completely different header? So you can see it turned into the non-transparent version here, but what if we didn't want to have the shopping cart option here, or we didn't want to have the search bar here, or we wanted to have a completely different logo or a different menu altogether? Real simple, you need some Blocksy Pro, but all you have to do is go on the top bar here and click on Customize, which would take us to the WordPress Customizer. Okay, while we're here, let's go ahead and enter our web store by clicking on the store or shop icon or whatever button is on your header. Okay, and then we're here on our shop archive. Let's go ahead and click on header on our left-hand sidebar here, and we have our customization options and our rows and everything. Let's go ahead on the second tab and click on headers. And you can see we have one for our contact page. Let's make one for our shop. So let's call it shop header. Okay. And then let's just copy the global header, right? And I can copy the one from the contact page, but as a starter, let's just click on the global header. If you already know what you're doing here, then that's great. But if you're just starting out, this is a great way to get into it. And once we finish this, you'll understand the purpose of copying from the global header, or a different header, that is. So we have our shop header here, and we can customize it, right? And we can remove the search box, right? What if for our shop we wanted to have our logo in the middle, right? And then our menu will be off to the side, and then our shopping cart would be maybe up here, or maybe even have our menu over here, right? Looking good. And let's click on this, and well, it's going to be sticky, and we can configure the offset, what kind of effects we're going to have for our header. We can disable the transparent functionality, and I'll do that here just for video purposes, right? And that looks pretty fine, and that's what I want to have on my shop. And if I wanted to just remove these ones, I can go ahead and change the menu by going over elements, and we can just choose a completely different menu from the pile, right? We can also put in our social media icons over here, and they'd be over there. You can customize them as you want in our other videos, and that looks pretty cool. So in order to make sure this appears on our web shop, this is the most important part. Let's click on shop header here, and on the top we have edit conditions. Add conditions, add and display conditions. If we include it in the entire website, it just becomes our header on the entire website. Let's scroll down here, and we can put it on shop home, right? And that'll appear just on the shop home, but we can also include it on single products. We can also include it on the product archives and product categories. And in our advanced mode, we can click and it'll appear on our whole shop now. Okay? And once we're happy with that, we can go ahead and click on publish. Okay? If you clicked on these, it doesn't actually change what will appear, because that's dependent on your add edit conditions over here. This just gives you a preview on how it would look on your current displayed page, like a preview. Okay, so with that published, let's go ahead and enter our shop and reload the site. Okay, we're here. You can see we have our default header here from our home page, and as you can see, once we've loaded into our web shop, we have a completely different header for our shop. So we can click on the home icon here, and we can click on the products, and it takes us to the shop page, and you can see our header is completely different for our shop. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.